In this video, I will show you how to activate reader mode in Chrome browser. So let's get started. With reader mode, it is possible to avoid ads, sidebars and other distractions, allowing you to focus on the text. First, make sure that Chrome browser on your PC is updated. Open Chrome browser on your PC. Now open any website or web page that you wish to read. Next, click three dots located at the top right side. From the available options, click More Tools. Then click Reading Mode. Under Reading Mode, you may use the toolbar to adjust the font. You can adjust the font size as well. Reading Mode background color can also be changed. Even you can change the spacing between sentences and between letters for easy readability with these controls provided. So that is how you can activate reader mode in Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.